So in today's video, we're going to be doing something that's called the Callup Light Photography. And basically, it's all based around this one person on Instagram, Callup_. Now he does some really cool photography shoots on there, but it's more about the Photoshop behind the shoots. I think you should go and check him out because he is freaking awesome. I was going through and there's a couple of good ones, like the photos on the side gutter or the side of the road, and there's like this mushroom one, and that's awesome. And then there's some star things and then a ball, whatever, and I really want to do them, but I don't know how he does them. I'm still trying to figure it out. There is one that I saw and it's like he has some like blue lights in front of the person, so he's almost like reaching out at the blue light, but then there's like jellyfish there, but he made the jellyfish seem neon. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing that today, and I'll talk more about it when it drops a little bit dark. So it's gone a little bit darker, and I feel like my room's like glowing, so I think this is perfect. So for my light source, for the blue light that I'm going to be reaching out, I'm going to be using my DIY Nanoleaf panels. If you have not seen that video, I recommend you do. Yeah, so I'm going to be using them as my light source, and I've written out two codes. So that one's turquoise, the blue, then that one's the red, because I'm going to do something else with. So I've been messing around in the settings and figured it all out. So basically I'm going to be like kneeling on my bed, and I'm going to be reaching out at it when they're all blue or red. I'm going to be using this camera. This camera's done me well. So the camera's going to be sitting on the tripod over there, and I'm going to be placed there touching it. I'm going to be doing one overexposed shot, so then I can get as much light as possible. Then I'm going to take a normal one when I'm reaching out. So without further ado, I'm going to put you guys in time-lapse mode, and well, let's just do it. Okay, so after me putting in some time last night and this morning editing these photos, really did put my editing skills to the test. And these photos are still not great, but I think they will just do. So kicking it off with this one, presume this is the unedited version on screen. This is the edited version. This one was not as much of an issue because the background's actually dark from the beginning, so it's really easy to get rid of my X-Leaf panels. So basically I just painted it all black on the one side, and then I actually went into Fusion 360, it's a 3D modeling software. Then I actually made the like or love sticker. I copied at least like 3 layers. 2, I used Gaussian blur, gives the glow effect around the edge. Then I used outer glow on the actual picture itself to give it more glow. This one, oh, nah. This one was an actual pain. Kicking it off with this one. So I've done the same procedure. I got some jellyfish off the internet, then used a blending mode, I think it's like lighten or screen, one of them, to get rid of the black background. Then I copied the layers 3 times, then used the 2 for the Gaussian blur to give the effect around the edge. Then my colour scheme was a little bit off compared to the jellyfish glow on me, so I kind of used the hue saturation to kind of mess with it to get it more this jellyfish colour blue. I can't really tell which one I like more, the jellyfish one or the love heart sticker one. I don't know, comment which one you like. And I was gonna do like one more, which was like with the blue glow on me. I was gonna edit in like a world with the glow around it and then do some clouds on the edges. I was gonna then a moon. I was like, then I couldn't be bothered. So without further ado, I'm gonna leave it here, and I hope you guys did enjoy. So stay tuned for some more stuff on the channel. Click these boxes up here and hit the subscribe button in the middle. And I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you later for some more videos.